Once upon a time, in a quaint village, lived a young man named Leo. He was known for his selfless and loving nature. Leo believed that love was the most powerful force that could transform lives. He spent his days helping others and spreading kindness wherever he went. One day, Leo heard about an old, abandoned garden at the edge of the village. People said it was impossible to revive, but Leo saw it as an opportunity to showcase his belief in the power of love. He started working tirelessly, nurturing each plant and tending to the garden with unwavering dedication. As weeks passed, the garden transformed into a breathtaking oasis of vibrant colors and fragrant blooms. Villagers were astonished at the miraculous change, and Leo's act of love had not only transformed the garden but also the hearts of everyone who witnessed it. People began to realize that love wasn't just an emotion, but a force that could bring about miracles. Leo's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to believe in the transformative power of love. His selfless act not only brought beauty to the garden but also rekindled a sense of hope and community within the village.